Hello Airsofters and welcome back to a new review from GAT. Today I want to present you this bad guy, a Surefire X400v flashlight replica. The replica comes in a simple cardboard box which shows which model it is and which color it has. It comes with an Allen key and a replacement part, and here we have the Surefire X400v flashlight replica. I have here the tan version of it, but it is also available in a black version. The replica is made of high quality aluminum parts, fiberglass reinforced plastic parts and some steel parts. The replica has also the typical logos and markings just like the real steel version, which are lasered high precision. The lens from the flashlight and the lens from the laser are made in acrylic glass. The battery cover and the remote switch are the only parts which are made in fiberglass reinforced plastic. The flashlight works with two CR123A batteries, just like these ones, which are placed right here under this cover. The flashlight weighs about 120 grams, and now I want to show you the different functions from this flashlight replica. So on top is the laser module with the mode switch. On the back side you have the battery cover, which you can open with this little button. And on the battery cover is the on-off switch, and the cool thing about this on-off switch, it has a press and release function. So this is the on position, and in the other direction is also a on position. And then you have the press and release function. You just have to press the on-off switch. The mode switch has different modes. This is an off position, nothing works. Then you have the light position. On top is a laser light mode. And you have a laser mode. And you have again a off position of the mode. Then in front of the flashlight you have three different modes. The WH mode is for the normal flashlight mode. Then you have an off switch, a kill switch, by turning it. This is like a kill switch. In this function, in this mode, the flashlight doesn't work, but the laser still works. And last but not least, you have an IR mode, which stands for infrared, but this flashlight hasn't a infrared LED, so it is replaced with an strobe mode. And on the back side you have the rail mount. So those were the different functions from this flashlight replica, and now I want to show you how good or how bright this flashlight is in the darkness. And to have a comparison, I use this LED lens P14, which has about 210 lumens. So as you can see, I am now at a very dark place and I want to show you how good this Surefire replica works. But first I want to start with the P14 from LED Lancer. has a focus mode, and you can see how bright this 210 lumen flashlight is. And now I want to show you the brightness from the Surefire X400v replica. So this is the normal flashlight mode. And now we see the flashlight with the laser. This is the laser mode. And now we see the strobe mode. And you can see that this flashlight is really bright. The strobe mode works also with the laser. And now I want to show you the Surefire in comparison to the LED Lenser P14. On the right side is the LED Lenser. And on the left side is the Surefire replica. I like this flashlight. It works extremely good and it just has an amazing finish. But there is one big mistake. I had to replace the original mounting screw with this screw because it is broken. But all in all, it is a high quality product which works as it should. I bought it on ethnictactical.com for around 95 bucks. If you have any questions, just write a comment. I will put a link to this great product in the description below. My name is KJ and as always, thanks for watching. Until next time.